What's the meaning of amniocentesis? Amniocentesis. 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 Amniocentesis.
Amniocentesis is a prenatal diagnostic procedure in which a small amount of amniotic fluid is extracted from the amniotic sac surrounding a developing fetus. This fluid contains fetal cells and various substances that can provide information about genetic conditions, fetal development, and health. The procedure is typically performed during the second trimester of pregnancy and can help identify chromosomal abnormalities, neural tube defects, and other potential health issues. The results of an amniocentesis can provide valuable information to expectant parents and healthcare providers, allowing for better management of pregnancy and potential medical interventions if necessary.